This may look like classic profiteroles, but there is no pastry involved. I learned a version of this recipe from my Turkish mother-in-law, and ever since it's been on our table almost every week. Over time, I started making it my own, and this is the easiest version I have come up with. You can adjust the sugar to your taste if you prefer it a little less sweet. Keep stirring and you will see the mixture slowly turn into a smooth and silky custard. Now comes the best part. Everything goes into one bowl, which means almost no washing up later. Now it just needs a little time to chill. I have to admit, I usually steal a few bites while it's still warm, but after a night in the fridge, it's even better.
Just a little, take me along the way. Won't you visit? Won't you stop by to stay?
I really hope you will give this recipe a try. I have a feeling it will become one of your favorite desserts, just like it did in our home. If you would like to see more easy homemade recipes, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, just one more bite.
Never make it out.